Start by searching for a group of emails that you'd like to save to Google Drive. We'll search for all the invoice emails and then click the Select All button up at the top. After clicking on the Google Drive icon, we can choose how we want to save our emails. We can choose between the options of saving each conversation into a separate PDF file, merging all conversations into one PDF file, or only saving the attachments. In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can merge all of your conversations into one PDF file. Your emails are now saved in your Google Drive folder as a PDF. It's as easy as downloading your PDF file, composing an email, and attaching it. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.